Well, it's the final day of 2023. Yesterday we had highs in the low to mid 50s for most areas. Today, much colder. Unfortunately, we will have quite a bit of cloud cover today. There's a chance we might get into some sun for today, but I wouldn't count on it, and see quite a bit of cloud cover through the day today, according to one of our short-term models, but also indicating some clearing. This is computer model number 1. Computer model number 2 is not quite as nice to us and giving us some late day sun. So it is going to be something to monitor. If we do get late day sun, it's very possible we could reach 40 or in the upper 30s, but I'm going cloud cover and keeping us more in the mid 30s for today. And with wind gusts near 20 miles per hour today, that could keep those wind chills in the 20s for the majority of the day. Maybe if we're lucky, reaching 30. And then once we get towards midnight, wind should be at about 5 miles per hour, not only tonight, but into tomorrow as well. So much nicer tomorrow, especially I do expect more sun tomorrow, but temperatures still stuck in the 20s. There may be a few more teens at midnight. Bottom line is bundle up, and bottom line is it will be dry. In fact, I still have us dry with the forecast until Friday night. That looks to be our next best chance for precipitation. We'll see how that has an impact on both Friday and Saturday during the day on timing, but I'll just keep it for Friday night. Even with another cold front pushing through for Wednesday and cooling us down from mid-40s on Tuesday to around 40 for the rest of the week, it still comes through dry with that front and, of course, today's front as well. So, again, next best chance of precipitation is Friday night. How much precipitation can we get, though? There's still some uncertainty on that. The European model keeps higher precipitation totals, especially south of I-70, but more importantly, near and south of I-35, and certainly in southeastern Kansas, while the GFS has a lot more precipitation in our area. So there is some uncertainty. We'll have to keep an eye on that, but of course, looking at the extended outlooks, 6 to 10 day outlook, relatively warm and wet. Relatively wet again in the 8 to 14 day outlook, but near seasonal or equal chances of below normal and above normal temperatures, and the 3 to 4 week outlook normal. So obviously, all details we're going to keep an eye on. Cloud cover is going to be the big weather story over these next couple of days. How much of an impact will it have, both with lows and highs? We're still monitoring those temperatures. They still haven't dropped below 30 degrees in the 20s in Topeka since the 19th. We'll keep an eye on this morning. I would be shocked if it didn't get in the 20s tonight. I really would. But it certainly is possible, especially if these clouds lingered. The temperatures do not want to drop below 30 degrees, at least in Topeka. Other areas have. Other areas have been a bit on the colder side, but Topeka has not dropped below 30 degrees since the 19th. I do expect it to happen tonight, if not early this morning, after I'm recording this early. There's still some time for temperatures to drop after my recording here, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. In the meantime, bundle up today and tonight, and still tomorrow, but expect a little bit more sun and nicer conditions because of the lighter winds for Monday.